Hi, my name is Maxine. I'm marketing lead at Returnless. Over the coming weeks, we will be creating product tours of our platform to show you how Returnless works and share some tips and tricks. So we wanted to kick off with our returns panel, which you can see an overview of here. We make a distinction between returns and requests. Return requests do not have a shipping label attached to them yet. They need to be checked and approved first. And returns are actual incoming returns that do have a shipping label attached to them. And they're either on their way or they're already arrived at your warehouse. So you can see an entire overview of all returns from any source over here. Both requests and returns are created in the returns form, which looks like this. So our returns form deserves an entire video on its own, but I just wanted to quickly run through the basics of it by showing how it pops up in your panel. And we'll be doing another video about the details of your form another time. So let's open a test order. And let's say we would like to return this t-shirt. And we have just created our return, and we can see it popping up in our panel if we refresh our screen. And you can see it over here, have just been created. So in your returns panel, you have the possibility to add columns, for example, a created add field or a value field. And you can also remove columns that you do not use. You can also create and save filters. We often see colleagues from multiple departments working with Returnless, and someone from finance might have used for a filter that only shows a refunded option, but someone from your logistics department would just like to see what the new and incoming returns are, for example. So those can be saved and created here for you or your team to work with. You can also search for returns based on any type of field here. So let's say we wanted to review the details of the return we just created. We can click on the return number and we immediately see all the details of the return. For example, the name and the contact details of the customer, the address. We can also generate coupon codes with store credits or create a refund. We immediately see the tracking code and the carrier. And if we would like, we can immediately send the product back to stock and mark it as received. We can add notes to the return, and we can also make those visible to your customer. So you have all the details and correspondence for you and your customer in the panel. Details of coupons and refunds can also be found. And once you're done with your return, you can change the status, and it will be updated in the panel as well. So that's the most basic overview of our returns panel and its functionality. If you want to try Returnless for yourself, you can. You can go to our website and you can click the Set Up Account button and experience it for yourself. So I hope this helps, and I see you in the next video.